Hello friends, in the series of BSc IPF, I welcome you all. The topic about which we are discussing is National Pension Scheme. We have seen the history of it, who regulates it, the importance of PRAN, which is a permanent retirement account number, and then we have seen the benefits of NPS. If the investor is investing in NPS, then what kind of benefit he can get. We have discussed about it in a separate session, and then we have discussed the difference between Tier 1 and Tier 2 account. So the investor can choose or select the appropriate plan or appropriate account for him or her while doing this financial planning or while doing this NPS or retirement planning. So understanding this, again, there is a separate video on it. One can see, one can watch, and then the important topic is once you are selecting the account, after that you need to decide whether this money will go and what kind of treatment your money will get. And for that we need to understand that where do they invest, and there are two choices. One is active choice and one is auto choice. We have discussed the active choice in last video. Today we will be talking about auto choice. What are the plans, or what are the options, or what are the details of auto choice? Let us try to see in this session. In auto choice there are three plans. One is aggressive, the other is moderate, and the third is conservative. But before selecting any plan, the most important thing an investor should do is understanding the risk appetite or doing the risk profiling. You should contact your advisor, do the risk profiling, and understand that how much risk we can take. And if your risk appetite is allowing you to take the aggressive plan or moderate plan, conservative plan, then how it will work, we will try to see. Here you can see that everywhere they say that up to 35, up to 35, up to 35. Means if your age is 30 and if you are choosing aggressive plan because your risk appetite is allowing, then till 35, up to 35, the exposure of equity will be 75%. After each passing year, after 35, each passing year, your exposure in equity will get reduced by 4%, and 1% of that 4% will go to the moderate and 3% will go to the secured one. Now, from where we have seen this? Just look at this ECGA. These are the asset classes we have discussed in the last session. One can check out the video on our YouTube channel that to know the details about these asset classes. So 1% will go from moderate to 1% will go from equity to moderate, and 3% from equity to secured one. This plan is called as a LC75. Then moderate one, 35% till 35, 50% will be in equity and 30% will be in moderate. So each passing year, with each passing year after 35, 2% from equity will go to the moderate, to go to the secured one, and 1% from moderate will go to the secured one. This plan is called as a LC50. And then in conservative, up to 35, your exposure in equity will be 25%, 40% in moderate, and 30% in secured one. 1% from equity will go to the secured one, and 2% from moderate will go to the secured one each passing year. This plan is called as a 75. Earlier, central government or state government were covered under the default scheme offered by 3 fund managers, which have invested major part in equity or in equity. From 2018, they can choose between LC50 or 25 because central government employees are not allowed to choose the LC75 plan. They need to invest between LC50 and LC25 only. If they want to have the aggressive plan, or if they want to change their asset allocation, they need to put extra money for that, and they can choose any fund manager. Facility to change the fund manager is around once a year. To change the class from auto to active, active to auto twice a year. These are the options which are available for you. So according to a risk appetite, decide active or auto, and then auto, select a plan, and then select a fund manager. This is how one should invest in the NPS. Thank you very much for liking our sessions. All these sessions are coming to you by BSc IPF and SEBI, so don't forget to say them thanks. The same topic is available in Hindi and Marathi. You need to check out the YouTube channel for that. Thank you very much. Stay tuned.